Right, we are leaving Great Sun Banan camping. Pretty nice little camp located a bit down from the pass on the Swiss side. So the goal for today is to reach Andermatt. And then, we'll do a few passes on our way there. And then tomorrow, the plan is to do the final 3 passes on the trip before heading up through Germany and Denmark and head home. So the trip is coming to an end, but it's been pretty awesome the last couple of weeks, so yay. And I think today is also going to be pretty nice. So let's go. The first pass for today, called as Planches or Planches, whatever. But anyway, I think the description for this was something like, on top there's a bunch of trees and a nice view. So we'll see. So I guess this was the top then. Yeah, all right. So when I get down, I will locate a charger, even though we are at 60%, just to check out charging in Switzerland to see that there's no surprises, and try to grab some breakfast. So yeah, it's gonna be a quick charging stop, but that's fine. I went to the location of what was supposed to be a DC charger, but it wasn't. It was just a Type 2. So yeah, at least I couldn't see anything but Type 2. Maybe I'm blind. Let's see if it works. See what happens now. Establishment, the connection of the vehicle. Yeah, that sounds good. Let's see. Not much happening. So another one of these that don't work. Okay, I just tried again, and guess what? It started charging. Okay, so these ones work. Not very fast though. It says 21 kilowatt on the charger, but it's charging at 14 at the moment. But yeah, we'll let this charge a while and see if we can find some food. Alright. First time I've seen one of these low power, less than 50 kilowatt DC chargers. As long as it works, we're happy. Okay, that worked out pretty well. Don't think I spent that much time grabbing some food, but the bike was at 80% when I got back, so we're good to go. Okay. So maybe the first charging stop I tried also included one of those low power DC chargers. I didn't look that closely because I was kind of expecting one of the big ones, so I just saw what looked like a typical Type 2 stations, so I figured it was all type 2, but maybe they had one of these low power DC chargers. Oh well. Now I know that I need to look for those as well, and not just the big ones. The mountains are coming closer, but terribly slowly. A bit of a transport lag today, but I'll soon hit the mountains again. I think these last passes is going to be pretty good. Yeah, nice decorations. Alright, here we come. Let's get up there. Power lines ruins the views a bit, but I guess we need power. Yeah, pretty nice ride up there. It's kind of nice view here as well, right? I'd say it's pretty good. Switzerland delivers. Gotthard Pass coming up. We have started the climb. I don't think I'm on the right road. There's a smaller, nicer one that goes up somewhere, but I have no idea how to get onto it. And yeah, I missed something somewhere. Should we go down and try? There must be a way to get on it, right? No, forget it. We'll just enjoy the views from up here. Where is it? Okay, so I'm down here. And I'm supposed to be over there. I missed an exit somewhere. We missed the whole thing. Where did I go wrong? Okay, I'm gonna go a little bit down and see if it's possible to get onto that road. So now we're going up where we were supposed to go up. This is a much nicer road. Pay attention. That's the thing. Probably not so good in rain though with this these stones. Guess it gets kind of slippery. All right, I'm glad I turned around. Wouldn't want to miss this. That is probably the kind of transport this road was made for, right? It's pretty cool. And now I guess we're getting to the top of the pass and probably get back onto the other road, I'm not sure. Looks like it. Okay, really happy I turned around and got to experience this. Right, so this cobblestone road continued on this side as well, so it's on both sides as long as we get onto the right road. And that's the end of it, I guess. Now we're back on the main path. Great day, great day. Oh yeah. I'm glad I didn't go this way in the beginning when it was raining, because it wouldn't have been half as nice. It really is so much nicer on roads like this when the sun is out, and you can actually enjoy the views. Okay, so I think I didn't properly end the video today. I made it to Andermatt, got my tent up, and yeah, now I've been charging up the bike so it's ready for tomorrow. The charging situation in Andermatt was a bit, well, there wasn't really anything there. I could have charged at the camp probably, but that meant putting my tent in a place that were really meant for campers or cars, and yeah, it was much nicer on the actual campground for tents, so I decided to go there. So I had to ride a bit out of town for a DC charger, and then on the way back I stopped and topped up at an AC just to get to, well, I'm at 99%, so I didn't wait for it to finish completely, but as good as 100%. So I'm ready for tomorrow. And yeah, while DC charging I didn't really do much, so it doesn't work on my computer was waiting, but this is actually one of the very few times that I have had to wait for the bike charging. instead of doing something useful. And yeah, while it was AC charging, I had dinner at the restaurant, so that was okay. So now I'm just heading back to the camp, and yeah, that's it. And tomorrow I will go over Furka Pass, Grimsel Pass, and Susten Pass, and that will be the end of the trip to the Alps, I think. So yeah, thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye!